go hit the grass patches. What do you think?
We just got bit on the brush pile.
You were in the brush.
You want to catch a fish or not?
I'd like to.
Okay, first off, let's cover some things really quick in this video. John and I, this day, we had different ideas of where to go. Now, this stemmed from, I came out to this lake 2 days ahead of time. I had been out there 2 days ahead of time, and I knew around about where the fish were. John knew where he's caught fish before, so that's that first little bit right there. That you just got bit on the brush pile. I think I just got bit on the brush pile. The big thing today was we were trying to hammer this brush pile, and you're going to see why. I mean, you saw by the title. I missed some bigs that day. So we were kind of in disagreement a couple times, and I think it's good. I mean, it's a testament to true friendship. I think that if you have a friendship to where there's no disagreements ever, it's probably not that great of a friendship, okay? Nobody gets along 100% of the time if you really are that close. And John is not just one of my best friends. He's like my brother. So that's where that came from. Now, let's just jump into the video, and I'm going to let you guys watch. And I'm going to jump in again, and I'm going to tell you what I deciphered from going back and watching all this video. You put on a worm and throw in that brush pile. Why am I not feeling any resistance? I was like, I did not break off. I know I did not break off. Makes no sense.
No, you just had a spinnerbait.
$6 spinnerbait.
Pulling your line. It's really kind of nice of me to do that.
Hey John.
I got him.
Is that a crappie? Is that a bass?
I couldn't tell.
That is a bass. Oh, that's a skin hook for you. Look at that.
Whew. Red worm.
Red worm. You little dinker. You little dink fest. Thanks, buddy. Skunk's out of the boat, John. Oh, skunk is out of the freaking boat. That was a hell of a hook set too, wasn't it? It was a ridiculous hook set. Dude. Oh. Oh my. Yeah, just be ready. No. Oh, it just came off. Oh, it just came off. There's a mega. There it is.
How big?
Big.
Had good tension on him. He shouldn't have come off.
I just think that it was big enough to where I just didn't have the backbone to drive into that big mouth. All right, let's jump in really quick. Now, I said on that first one, I don't think the rod had enough backbone. And 100%, I stand by that. I was throwing a medium heavy, my medium heavy favorite Hex. And, you know, I know that there's that caliber of fish in this body of water. I've known that. I've seen them. I've seen them caught. I've almost caught them. I mean, I've caught, this is where I caught my 7.7 out of. So I know they're in there. However, I did not think that I was going to have a crack at it. So what I deciphered happened was this fish took my worm, started swimming with it, gave it time. I set so hard, you guys saw my rod come off my body. It just stopped. It dead stopped. It was violent. That's the best way I can put it. It was a violent hook set, and that fish did not move. And then when she did, I think what happened is she just had that worm in her mouth, and when she realized that I was pulling her, she just opened her mouth, and it just came right out. Because my rod didn't snap back, it just came out slow. The rod just deloaded slowly. So 100% don't think the rod had enough backbone to penetrate that fish's mouth. So then I switched to a heavier rod. And you're going to see that in just a second here. Net. Attaboy, John. Good job, dude.
Give me a kiss.
Look at that. It got hit. That's how it got hung up.
It did. You just wackied your...
It got hit, and that's how it got hung up.
What are the odds, dude?
Oh. Oh well. What's your hunch, dude?
I'm thinking I might try something a little silly.
I reckon anything other than what's getting bit is silly. So, what's your hunch?
Similar color. I'm just gonna drop a bubblegum trick worm on my wacky. It could be good.
I can break it to you, but I think you're wrong about it. Let's go get your grass.
With the grass. I like the grass.
Mm-hmm.
There's big fish right on the boat to 12 feet.
Yep. All out on this point.
You're pissing me off.
And I am right back in the brush.
That's back in there, bro. Oh, alright, I'll do it.
No, you mother. Come out of there. Come out of there. Come on. No, you mother. Come out of there. Come out of there. Tell me you're still on there. Okay, so this is the one that I've had a little bit of skepticism from some people on Instagram, and they think that I just hung up in brush immediately. If you go back and you watch that and watch my line, I'm running a 3/16 ounce tungsten weight with an 11-aught owner worm hook. That's what I was running on it. Cutting point worm hook. Watch my line and watch how it jumps down. It doesn't slowly flutter down. It jumps down. And that's when I hook set. When it jumped down, waited about a split second, half a second, and hook set. and I got cranks on this fish. That's why I replayed it again, because I got cranks on this fish, and that's when I felt her wrap around the branch. Now what I think happened is that hook itself was punching such a big hole. When it wrapped around the branch, it gave just enough slack, took just enough tension off to where she could just slip right out of that. So that's what I believe happened. That's 100%. I've gone back and I've watched this countless times, and that's what I believe happened. So speaking of that worm hook, that 11-aught worm hook, I made a little order and I got some new tackle in. And you know, while I'm here, I guess I want to ask you guys, are y'all in the mood for a Tackle Warehouse unboxing? Want to see what I got? Let me know in the comments. If you do, I'll drop that video either this weekend or by Monday. So let's get back to the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Got it. With proof. With freaking proof.
Wrapper. That one feel good too? Or?
Yeah. It did. I'm still shaking from it, honestly. Here's proof. Just wrap me up in that brush.
This is a dangerous game we play.
I had him too. Dude, I had him. Freaking had him. I just... Wasn't all that shenanigans? You guys talking about shenanigans? Oh. Are we drifting? Hold up. Hold up. Take it. Go ahead and take it. Go ahead and take it. Just eat it. Just eat it. I'm gonna let you just eat it. Oh, I got that one. I don't even care. I don't even freaking care. Suck it. Corner hook, skin hooked again. Corner of the freaking mouth. Yeah. You weren't the one that I missed. Let's compare the size of this worm to this fish here. Well, I'd say he's probably about 14 inches. He might be a keeper. Ooh, nice acrobats. That's it. That's it, everyone. Missed two bigs today.
Giant.
That's all right.
Not just big.
Like I said, it means that we're doing the right thing. We're doing the right thing. Eventually, it'll pan out.
When you have your own boat, you don't have to listen to other people try and make them move.
Yeah, when you have your own boat and you can just kind of sit where you need to, where you know the fish are, you know, then maybe it'll happen, and maybe not. But it was a good night. It was a good night. Fish were caught. Can't complain about that.
Lessons learned.
Lessons learned. Hooked up on bigs. Two very smart fish. But that was all right. I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh yeah, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you, John. Appreciate that. See you next time we're on the water.